Yeehaw!
You're gonna have to hold that up this way when you catch it. Here, landing that.
Holy shit, he's fucking fighting the current too.
Yeah, I'm trying to put him into a current.
Come on, bitch.
Dude, he's a monster.
Hey, nice.
That is a pretty jack, bro.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Abe getting on that jack.
3DB.
Woo! Yeah, we were just on our way out here and he just tossed out a little topwater and that thing smacked it.
Yep.
What'd you say? It just started coming up like when you were reeling in real fast?
I'll show you how I was fucking reeling.
Did you walk the dog or how'd you do it?
I was walking and then I was literally just fucking burning.
Yeah. Just right at the end as you're basically retrieving your cast and done with that one. That's so sweet.
I'll have to figure out how to catch this jack.
We didn't even have any of the cameras rolling yet. And
you and I never catch anything right there.
Yeah.
I was like, oh, whatever.
Go for it. Yeah, that was a nice one. But yeah, good job, Chase, on the net.
It was solid.
Already got a fish, haven't even
We're
started.
Hey, boys.
It's a good day to fish.
Yep.
What is going on, y'all? Nick here with HBDX Fishing. We are back.
We're back.
And we're out on the river today. We got Abe over here. We've been out here for about 5 minutes, and right after we didn't have cameras rolling, and Abe went ahead and tossed out a topwater on the channel that we usually go up. We usually see a ton of jacks, and we catch a bunch of mangrove snappers and black drum there. And he pulled up a real nice jack, we'll show you. And we're gonna keep trying it. We're gonna go up river a little ways, run some top waters. Nice and sunny out today, it's warm. What is it, early December? And we're gonna see if we can get on a couple nice fish. And then the last couple days we've been seeing some gars upriver. So we're gonna go to that spot, hopefully get some lights on them and show you all how big these things get. Hopefully catch one, try to get one in a net or something. It's illegal to keep any alligator gar. Per FWC, I guess we don't technically have alligator gar here in this area, but these gar that we've been seeing, they're 5, 6 feet. I've seen them up to 7 feet, and I don't know another gar that gets that size. So we're gonna try to convince y'all that they are alligator gar up here. And yeah, stay tuned. HBDX Fishing, baby. Woo! Here, hold up. Oh, yeah.
On. Oh, he ripped it off.
Oh, he's off.
Come on, sucker. There we go. All right. Abe switched over to, what were you running? Gulp shrimp, baby. Woo! Look at that. Nice ladyfish, brother. Nice job. Here, you can show them to the main camera.
They're right there.
Woo-wee. Oh my gosh. First round. Yeah. First fish in how many hours? Jeez. It's been a long while.
On the Gulp shrimpy tins.
All right, y'all, we're calling it a night. We came out here trying to catch some gar. We seen one. How big you think it was?
That was about 3 feet.
About 3 foot,
yeah.
Pretty big, but we've seen a lot bigger. So we're gonna wrap this up. We're gonna keep looking a little bit. Batteries are dying on us, so we're gonna save these lights and everything, cut them off so this battery's got a little more juice to push that motor, and maybe see a gar on the way back. Until next time, like, subscribe, share. HBDX Fishing. All right, y'all, we are out here gar hunting. Last time I forgot to turn on the camera, but as you can see, got some light shining. Dave's ready to jump in and grab them. Got the big net. There's Gar right there, fellas.
Here. You'll be able to just get them.
Yeah,
Come on, baby.
There we go. There we go. Check that out. Pretty cool. 29.
5.
I know it.
Shit.
That was sweet.